Imagine a Russian person is offering you a present. It's as if they read your mind because it's exactly what you wanted. So now it's time to say thank you. You want to express your gratitude in Russian, but you don't know how to say it. Привет, студенты! I'm Polina, and in this video we are going to learn 10 ways to say thank you in Russian. Whether you are learning Russian or you're close to Russian speakers, by the end of this video you will know 10 different ways to express your thanks in Russian. Before we start, if you are learning Russian, don't forget to grab my free Russian vocabulary guide. I will leave the link in the description. You probably already know the first one. Спасибо. It's the most common and universal way to say thank you. Next one is спасибо большое, to emphasize your sincere appreciation for your help or service. By the way, as the Russian language has a flexible word order, saying спасибо большое and большое спасибо are equally correct. Next one is спасибо огромное. This is appropriate when you're especially grateful for something, and that literally means enormously thank you. Next one is премного благодарен or благодарна. This is a more formal and formal sounding way to express your appreciation. And благодарен is used when it's a man talking, and благодарна for women. Next way to say thank you is огромная благодарность. Further emphasizes your appreciation and can be used whether you want to especially highlight your gratitude. Next one is я твой or я ваш должник. This one means I owe you, and pay attention that here you should use твой or ваш depending on your relationship with the person. Use твой for casual talk with friends and ваш for formal situations. Next variant is благодарю от всего сердца, a very emotional and sincere way to show the depth of your gratitude. Низкий поклон is the next one, an older and more literary way of expressing gratitude. This is often used in a joking context or in the novels and other books. Next one is a slang variant of the expression thank you from the bottom of my heart, от души, от души. And finally, я очень признателен or я очень признательна, a more formal way to showing you how much you appreciate the help of a service received. And here we again choose the form depending on the fact who is talking. If you're a man, then say признателен, and if you're a woman, then say признательна. Congratulations! Now you have all the cards to say thank you no matter what is the situation. And don't forget to like and subscribe and to tell me in comment what topics you would like next. Пока-пока!